Think you need thousands to start investing? Think again. In 2025, even $100 can be your first step toward financial freedom. Let's break it down. Simple, smart, and step-by-step. Here's the truth. Waiting for the perfect time to invest means losing money to inflation every year. Even small investments grow faster thanks to compound interest, the magic that multiplies your money over time. In 2025, you don't need a broker, you need a trusted investing app. Top US options include Fidelity, great for beginners, Robinhood, simple interface, Charles Schwab, no-fee ETFs. Download one, verify your ID, and you're ready to go. Here's where most beginners get confused. What do you actually buy with $100? Let's keep it simple. 1 ETFs, safer and diversified, like buying small pieces of many companies. 2 fractional stocks, own part of a share in companies like Apple or Tesla. 3 index funds, great for long-term growth. Once you've invested that first $100, the real secret is consistency. Set up an automatic deposit. Even $10 a week grows over time. The goal isn't to time the market, it's to spend time in the market. Avoid these rookie mistakes. Panic selling when prices drop. Putting all money into one stock. Ignoring fees. Even small ones matter. And that's how you start investing with just $100 in 2025. If you learned something today, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, "I'm starting today." Your $100 could be the start of something life-changing.